Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set GPS coordinates on Sygic GPS. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see three horizontal lines, often called the menu icon. Go ahead and tap on these lines to open the main navigation menu. This is your gateway to all the customization and configuration options within Sygic GPS. Once the menu opens up, look through the available options and tap on Settings. This section gives you access to all the adjustable features and preferences for your navigation experience, allowing you to personalize how Sygic GPS displays information and functions during your trips. Now, within the Settings menu, you'll need to tap on View and Units. This particular section controls how various measurements and information are displayed on your screen, including distance units, speed formats, and importantly for this tutorial, GPS coordinate formats. It's essential for customizing the navigation data to match your preferences or requirements. Next, locate and tap on GPS coordinates. This option specifically deals with how your exact location coordinates are displayed within the app. Different formats serve different purposes, whether you're sharing your location with others, using coordinates for professional work, or simply prefer one display style over another. You'll now see three different format options appear on your screen: degrees, minutes, or seconds. Each format represents GPS coordinates in a slightly different way. Degrees is the simplest decimal format, minutes adds more precision, and seconds provides the most detailed breakdown of your location. Choose the format that best suits your needs or the one you're most comfortable working with. Go ahead and tap the one you prefer from these three options. Once you make your selection, the app will immediately apply this setting, and all GPS coordinates throughout Sygic will now display in your chosen format whenever you need to view or share your exact location. And that's it. You've successfully customized how GPS coordinates appear in your Sygic GPS app, making navigation data more useful for your specific needs. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.